How to create a 3D cartoon photo of your own picture on Samsung S24 Ultra and other Samsung device using the Portrait Studio. To use this feature, first of all, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a Galaxy I. Now scroll down again. Here you make sure drawing assist option available on your device to use the Portrait Studio on your Samsung device. To create a 3D cartoon using your own photo, open the gallery application. Select the photo you want to create a 3D animation. Now here we select this photo. Now tap on the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom middle. Now tap on a Portrait Studio option. Now here you can see 4 options: comic, 3D cartoon, watercolor and sketch. Now tap on a 3D cartoon. Tap the generate button to generate 3D cartoon. Now it will create an amazing 3D cartoon of your own photo. You can download it on your set as wallpaper also on your device, also share with your friends or family member. Now you can see it will create the amazing 3D cartoon wallpaper like this. To download it, tap on the download button arrow icon. Now you can see portrait save to gallery. You can find this photo in your phone gallery. So quite helpful feature. Tap on a save copy to save copy on your device. To set as wallpaper, tap on a 3 dots. Tap on a set as a wallpaper. Then you can choose from whole lock screen, home screen, call background, alarm background. So quite helpful feature to create a 3D cartoon using new Portrait Studio on a Samsung S24 Ultra and other Samsung device running the One UI 6.1.1 Android 14. That's it. If you like it, share it.